Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin immediately. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS and open the Notes entry where you need a result. Once ready, pick a method: Spotlight for quick arithmetic, Calculator app for multi-step work, or a shortcut for automated inserts. Start by typing or pasting the numbers and formula into the note so you can test one method quickly. This saves time and prevents context switching. You'll know which approach fits the complexity of the calculation before proceeding. Now perform the math. For a quick answer, swipe down on the home screen, type your expression in Spotlight, then tap and copy the result into Notes. This is fast and handles standard operators. For multi-step work, open Calculator, complete operations, then press the result and copy, paste into your note for record keeping. For repeat tasks, run a custom shortcut that computes and appends the value to your open note. This is ideal when you need finish by labeling the result with units, and if useful, paste the original formula so you can audit the work later. Once done, make sure to verify accuracy. Repeat the expression in Spotlight or Calculator, or run the shortcut again to cross-check. If pasting fails, copy the number as plain text or take a screenshot and store it in the note. If results disagree, re-enter values carefully. Most errors come from misplaced decimals or wrong operators, so correct those first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.